In this video, I will show you how to fix the error code 403 on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So this is actually an update to a previous tutorial that I did, so there's actually a new way to fix this. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, right click and open up the task manager. So once you've gone ahead and open up the task manager, that's going to look like this. What you're going to want to do first is end any Roblox related tasks. So this includes things like shaders as well. So if you use like row shade or anything like that, basically you want to come across and end anything from here. So to do this, for example, you can see I've got the Roblox game client running. What you want to do is click onto the Roblox related task and come down and press the end task button. So you just want to go through and do this for everything related to Roblox, and then what you want to do is come back to your desktop. Now the next part of this tutorial is to come down to your search icon down in the bottom left hand corner, give this a click and then type run into the search box. Now underneath this match you should see the run app, so go ahead and click on this to open it up. And what you want to type into the box is the following. So you want to put a % symbol followed by local app data, then another % symbol and then press enter. So what that's going to do is open up a folder like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is locate the Roblox folder. So that's going to be under R. You can see the Roblox folder here. All you need to do is simply delete this folder from here. So you just want to click onto it and then press delete on your keyboard, or just right click and press onto delete from here. As you can see, that's currently deleting, so it just takes a minute or two to run through and delete this folder. So you just want to give that a second to do that. So as you can see, that's now been deleted. So the final part of this tutorial is just simply to go ahead and restart your system. Once you've gone ahead and restarted your system, go ahead and open up Roblox, and that should fix the error code 403. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.